Hey you guys, welcome back to Home Bar Network. It's Cody and Haley and we are reporting live from Rosemary Beach, Florida.
We are on week 5 of our summer cocktail series, and today we are doing a Rum Runner. This is a family recipe that I grew up with. My family grew up going to Destin, Florida, and my mom and dad always got Rum Runners at the back porch. My mom...
Famous Destin institution.
Famous Destin institution.
Yep.
My mom, though, never liked the coconut rum, so she would omit the coconut rum. So this Rum Runner recipe we're gonna show today is kind of like our iteration, our take on it. We make it every summer when we're at the beach.
I look forward to this drink every summer. It's so easy to make. There's no muddling, there's no jiggering, there's not even any shaking.
Yeah, you eyeball the rum, you have a good time. It's delicious.
Yeah, and we're just gonna build it in this.
We're gonna build it right in our glass.
In this simple, humble plastic cup, right?
So here we go. Let's go ahead. Let's make this my family's Rum Runner recipe.
Do it.
So I have a tall glass filled with ice already. And well, let's talk about being ballers on a budget here. We pick up our Bacardi rum from Costco.
It's so cheap, you
because
guys.
they have a great deal on it. So you're gonna need light rum for this recipe, and then some sort of spiced or dark rum.
Their Kirkland spiced rum. This is essentially like a Sailor Jerry clone for $15. $18.
So it's ridiculous.
It's 92 proof, so it's a spicer. It's literally like a Sailor Jerry.
Yeah. So for mixed drinks like this, rum punches, painkillers, things like that. I mean.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
So grab your light rum, grab your spiced or dark rum, and we're gonna kind of eyeball it here. I'm thinking this will probably end up being about 1.5 ounces or 2 ounces. And I'm gonna pour that right there. So we're gonna start with our light rum. Okay? Next up, we're gonna switch over to our spiced.
This is gonna be the one that I take down to the pool, so better make this one really strong.
Okay. Spiced rum or dark rum, we're not gonna do just as much. So like cut this in about half of whatever quantity of light rum you have. Okay? Voila. It's getting up there. You can make it as strong or as weak as you want, but essentially, as long as you have these ingredients at home or at the beach or at the pool, wherever you are, you can make this. This is kind of the secret ingredient.
Yeah.
This is a banana liqueur.
This gives it the background complexity that you want, the tropical note that you want.
It does. It gives you that je ne sais quoi.
Yeah.
When you're drinking a tropical drink.
Just makes it the beach drink.
And it doesn't make it overly banana or anything. It just has that special something.
Yeah, agreed.
So this is just a cheapy banana liqueur. And a little goes a long way, y'all. So this is the key. So you can kind of play around with the rum quantities, but do not go heavy on this guy. We're gonna do just about probably 1/2 ounce of the banana.
Even look like 3/4. Yeah.
1/2 ounce to a 3/4, depending on how tall your glass is as well.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have some Dole 100% pineapple juice. Give this little guy a shake.
Yeah, pineapple juice settles. Always remember to shake your pineapple juice before you pour it.
And you're only gonna leave just a little bit of room for the cranberry. The cranberry is what gives it that pretty color. Typically at the back porch, they would actually pour grenadine, like that roses grenadine.
Yeah, y'all don't use that.
And I'm not a big fan of that. We don't use that in our cocktails, but we do like that color.
Yeah.
So I think cranberry is the perfect substitute here.
Cranberry provides a little bit of that bitterness too.
And it masks all that booze really well.
It does mask the booze really well.
You can make
Cranberry's magical like that. That's why so many people love vodka cranberry. It just tastes like cranberry juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. And now we're gonna just give it a little stir. You have this beautiful, beautiful color.
It gives it a nice little rosy glow.
We usually do, so at the back porch, they would give you a big fat orange slice and a maraschino cherry. We don't mess around with maraschino cherries in this house, so we're just doing a big fat orange slice. You could do a pineapple slice on there if you had it. Whatever fruit you have lying around. But this is my family recipe, Rum Runner. Super
easy, you guys. 5 ingredient Rum Runner.
5 ingredients, must try. You could sip this all day at the pool.
Batch these up, put them in a big thermos, take them down to the pool, bring everybody a glass, and have fun.
It's so good. It's just that right amount of tropical flavor without just being
the perfect amount of banana. And pro tip, guys, get these smoothie straws. You can get these on Amazon. Look how big this thing is. You can get a lot of rum in one sip.
And let's see, what time is it? It's 11:40 a.m. in Rosemary Beach, Florida, which actually is a pretty perfect time
to have one. This is like a totally respectable time to make a rum cocktail.
When you're on vacation, I mean.
Yeah. right? What is it? Drinking at this time of day, it doesn't make you an alcoholic, it makes you a pirate when you're on the beach.
Or you can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
That's true.
So try this at home, y'all. It's easy, it's delicious, it's tropical. Let us know what you think in the comments. We'll be back next Tuesday, 8 o'clock Eastern for episode 6.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a Trinidad Sour next time, guys, which is a really bizarre, really interesting cocktail. You don't want to miss it. It's one of my favorite cocktails for, just a kind of an off-the-wall, oddball beach cocktail. It's fantastic.
Don't miss it.
Yeah.
Don't miss it. Next Tuesday, 8 o'clock Eastern, going live on YouTube. All right, y'all, thanks for tuning into our summer cocktail series. We'll see you next week. We gotta head down and bring the mom some rum runners.
Yeah, that's right.
Gotta get down to the beach. So cheers.
Cheers, guys. See ya.